From this video, you will get tips to prepare for FCP_FSM_ and 7.2 FCP, FortiSIEM 7.2 Analyst. What is FCP_FSM_ and 7.2 FCP, FortiSIEM 7.2 Analyst? You should know FCP_FSM_ and 7.2 exam details first. 4 key topics you should master. Benefits of earning the FCP, FortiSIEM 7.2 Analyst certification. How to pass the Fortinet FCP_FSM_ and 7.2 exam easily. 1. What must you configure to apply ZTNA tags from FortiSIEM to devices in FortiClient EMS? A. Syslog connection to FortiSIEM from FortiGate firewalls. B. Syslog connection to FortiGate firewalls from FortiSIEM. C. API connection from FortiSIEM to FortiClient EMS. D. API connection from FortiClient EMS to FortiSIEM. Answer: C. 2. Where can an analyst configure rule notifications and automated remediation on FortiSIEM? A. Notification policy. B. Response policies. C. Notification engine. D. Automation policy. Answer: D. 3. Which 2 elements can you use to define how an automation policy activates? Choose 2. A. Lookup table. B. Rules. C. Watchlist. D. Time range. Answer: B, D. 4. From which 2 sources can you import data to train FortiSIEM machine learning? Choose 2. A. Syslog archives. B. CSV files. C. FortiSIEM reports. D. SQL database. Answer: B, C. 5. What feature defines when an incident is created by FortiSIEM? A. Rules. B. Cases. C. Analytics. D. CMDB. Answer: A. 6. When using User and Entity Behavior Analytics, UEBA, on FortiSIEM, what must you use to dynamically supply a list of IP addresses to a FortiGate device for blocking purposes? A. API connection. B. SCP. C. Watchlists. D. Lookup tables. Answer: C. 7. Which information can FortiSIEM retrieve from FortiClient EMS through an API connection? A. Host login credentials. B. Host software versions. C. FortiSIEM license. D. ZTNA tags. Answer: D. 8. Which two settings must you configure to allow FortiSIEM to apply tags to devices in FortiClient EMS? Choose 2. A. FortiEMS API credentials defined on FortiSIEM. B. Remediation script configured. C. ZTNA tags defined on FortiSIEM. D. FortiSIEM API credentials defined on FortiEMS. Answer: A, C. 9. Which statement about thresholds is true? A. FortiSIEM uses fixed, hard-coded global and device thresholds for all performance metrics. B. FortiSIEM uses only device thresholds for security metrics. C. FortiSIEM uses global and per-device thresholds for performance metrics. D. FortiSIEM uses only global thresholds for performance metrics. Answer: C. 10. What are the 5 categories of incidents on FortiSIEM? A. Performance, other, availability, security, and change. B. Devices, users, high risk, other, and low risk. C. Security, change, high risk, low risk, and other. D. Performance, other, devices, high risk, and low risk. Answer: A. Subscribe and like past question.